Everyone talks about how AI is going to steal all of our jobs. But what if we told you that it could actually make you a lot of money? In this video, we'll discuss the secret to earning more than $100 per day with Jasper AI. You'll learn how to use this tool to start or improve your business and elevate your income. Check out the incredible money-making concepts we have for you by watching all the way to the end. What exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to robots designed to think and act like humans. It's the process of designing and building robots that can carry out tasks and make decisions independently, achieved through the use of machine learning models. Of course, AI robots are a long way from falling in love or having any real sentience. However, in natural language processing, we have made some pretty impressive strides over the last few years. AI has moved from simple editing tools like Grammarly to software capable of writing completely original classical novels from scratch. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about Jasper AI. Jasper AI was created on January 11, 2021 by David Roggenmoser and John Morgan in Austin, Texas. It's an AI software company that helps entrepreneurs and creatives of all niches make original content on pretty much anything. Jasper AI's proprietary bot, Jasper, has numerous applications that can complement your creativity and boost your productivity. You can use it to write copy, brainstorm new ideas, create content in multiple languages, or simply have fun. Learn how Jasper AI can help you easily make over $100 daily with these 6 ideas. 1. Building websites. There's a huge market for websites out there. Every year, thousands of businesses are created around the world, and they all need websites. Being a website developer is a sure way to make money daily, and Jasper can help you with that. To build great websites that'll keep your clients coming back for more, you need good content that can drive traffic. You also need SEO and the right keywords to ensure the website has a good ranking on search engines. This makes it easy for customers to find your content and visit your website. Jasper has a bunch of incredibly helpful tools. It can help you with various content creation needs on your website, like writing a website header or subheader, writing a company's bio, writing SEO and meta tags for your articles, and coming up with blog post ideas. For example, you can go to Jasper AI, provide information about your company, and specify the tone you're aiming for, and Jasper will create a unique company description optimized for SEO, plagiarism-free, and tailored for your needs. This service can be offered on freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Clients will pay for your services per hour or per job. 2. Affiliate marketing. If you've searched how to make money online on any search engine, you've probably come across affiliate marketing before this video. Affiliate marketing involves recommending products to an audience and earning a commission whenever someone buys a product through your link. It is one of the oldest ways to make money on the internet, and it remains lucrative. There are different strategies for affiliate marketing. For example, some affiliate marketers build niche sites to recommend products, while others use social media. You can also combine affiliate marketing with other jobs like content creation or blogging. To be an effective affiliate marketer, you need to create attractive copy that sells your product to your audience. Jasper AI can help you do that much faster and with much more precision. It can help you develop SEO-friendly blog content to help your niche site rank higher and attract more people. Additionally, it has specific features like product description templates, persuasive bullet point templates, and personalized email templates that can significantly boost your affiliate marketing business. For example, you can simply tell Jasper the product name, product information, key features, and benefits, and then specify the tone of voice you want to use. Jasper will then create a persuasive product description that you can put on your website or in your affiliate posts. If you like the ideas in this video so far, make sure to hit like and subscribe to Performance AI to always get the most out of your tech. 3. Ghostwriting. One of the most popular uses of AI is writing and blogging. In fact, you were probably expecting us to mention it at some point in this video. While writing is a saturated niche, ghostwriting is still a seriously overlooked way to make money. Ghostwriting is writing for another author so they can claim credit for it as their own. It's almost like being a ninja mercenary, doing work for the coin rather than the fame. But there is still personal pride in doing this, as well as a fat purse. As a ghostwriter, Jasper AI has a ton of features that will make you cry tears of joy. One of Jasper's most amazing features is the command template, which can create almost anything with a few prompts. You can tell Jasper to come up with a plot outline to help you bypass writer's block. It can even write you an entire creative story. You can rely solely on this, or use it for that extra inspiration you need to create something sensational. In case your project needs it, Jasper can also generate completely original images. This can be especially useful if you're ghostwriting children's books or DIY guides that need high-quality, unique images. Finally, if your client plans to publish their work online, you can also write the description for it. 4. Become a real estate agent. People are always looking to buy houses. In fact, shelter is one of the 5 basic needs of humans. So, being a real estate agent is one side hustle idea that can never grow old. If you love the idea of showing people different properties and making sales, you should consider being a real estate agent. You can specialize in luxury or middle-class housing, or narrow your scope to helping families find homes. Either way, you make a commission on each house you sell. Now, let's look at how Jasper can assist you. As a real estate agent, you're an in-person affiliate marketer, but you can still reach most of your audience online. This means that you need a website that outlines your services and available properties. Jasper AI can't only create that for you in minutes, it can also help you update those property descriptions and rewrite them as many times as you need. Additionally, Jasper can help you craft copy for ads that will have clients begging you to sell them their dream house. 5. Social media management. Almost all businesses these days are trying to connect to their target audience through social media accounts. Consequently, there has never been a better time to get a job and earn money as a social media manager. You can become a generalist or choose to specialize in a particular social media platform like TikTok, Twitter, or Instagram. Jasper AI is perfect for creating creative and witty social media captions that would increase engagement on your clients' accounts. Additionally, it's great for creating copy for social media ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. But if your client doesn't like you using AI, Jasper can help you create social media post ideas to inspire your creativity and help you come up with ideas on your own. Additionally, Jasper is incredibly useful for writing profiles on a company or its executives to post on social media. For example, just input the name of the business, your preferred tone, and a recent update about the business. Jasper will generate a social media post about that recent update that you can use on various platforms. Finally, start an e-commerce business. This side hustle needs no introduction. E-commerce is just selling things online. But for an e-commerce store owner, Jasper AI is the virtual assistant you always needed. Let's face it, there's nothing quite like e-commerce. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, running an e-commerce store is a lot of work. With Jasper, you'll never have to worry about writing product descriptions, creating your website, or even crafting the perfect copy. That's right, Jasper can handle it all for you, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business and making more money. And let's be real, isn't that what it's all about? Every e-commerce owner who's serious about growing their business in 2023 should be using Jasper. And there you have it. 6 unique ways that Jasper AI can help you make more than $100 per day and achieve your goals in 2023. Which side hustle idea do you think you'll try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Performance AI to always get the most out of your tech.